Today's video topic is polymorphism. We will talk about we will discuss in details. Polymorphism, it is the one of the features of the OOPS. OOPS stands for the Object Oriented Programming Language, and there are some other features of OOPS such as inheritance, constructor, encapsulation, and the polymorphism. So we will talk about polymorphism, because which one is the our today's video topic. Okay. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means it contains two words. Okay. First one is the poly means the many, and morph. Okay. Second one is the morph, and morph means forms. If we combine these two words, then it becomes many forms. Polymorphism meaning is the one object but different behavior, and in other words we can say one task by doing different ways. This is the concept of polymorphism. And polymorphism is classified into two groups, such as static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism is also called as a compile time polymorphism, and dynamic polymorphism is also called as a runtime polymorphism. uh, so uh, okay, and the examples of static polymorphism first one is the method overloading, and second one is the method hiding. And the examples of dynamic polymorphism are uh, the first one is the first one is the method overriding. This is the examples of static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. And now we will discuss the types of polymorphism, and on the basis of their examples. Which one the examples are method overloading, method hiding, and third one is the method overriding. So first one is the method overloading. uh, so what is method overloading? Method overloading, if we can say two methods are overloaded when both methods have same name but different uh, argument types. This type of methods are called as the method overloading. Okay, overloaded methods. If we take same name methods, but and also we pass the same arguments, then it will we will get compile time error, and they are not said to be method overloading. If we want to use method overloading, we have to only pass same arguments. We have to pass different arguments, and we can take same names. This is the concept of the method overloading. So example of method overloading is you uh, are is the methods. First we will take first method, as the name is print in braces int I, and second one is print double D, and third one is the print long L. These three methods are called as a method overloaded, because they have same name but different argument types. Okay. And the advantages of the method overloading are it 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 maintainability of application, it becomes easy, and we can achieve the decrease in our development time, and it decreases the complexity of the code, and we can read code easily. These are the advantages of the method overloading. So the now in C language, the old C languages are not are not use or are not applicable to the method overloading, but JVM supports the method overloading in JVM. But Java supports the method overloading. In Java, we can use multiple methods with same name, but with different argument types. In this way we can achieve our method overloading. and the and method in the and with the help of method overloading, we can decrease the development time and increase the our reusability. Now we will talk about the over method overriding. If methods of parent class and methods of child class are not static, then it is called as a method overriding. Then it is called as a method overriding. Method overriding is also called as a dynamic polymorphism. Let's take the example of the method overriding. If the methods of parent class methods of parent class by default they are available to methods of child class. If child class is not satisfied with the implementation of parent class, then the child class is allowed to implement, okay, or change the implementation as per the requirement, in this process the methods of parent class are overridden. Such type of methods are called as a overridden methods. And in this process the methods of child class are overriding. These such type of methods are called as a method overriding methods. And so now we will discuss the third point, which one is the method hiding. If the methods of parent class and methods of child class are static, then it is called as a method hiding. Method hiding is also called as a polymorphism uh, static polymorphism. Let's take an example of method hiding. If class test 1, uh, take a class test 1 in brackets, it uses the main method, such as public static void main method. And the second one is the class test 2. Class test 2 inherits or the extend, we can say extend also, extend the class test 1, in which, and it uses the same static methods, such as public static void main method. Then it is called as the method hiding. And this is the example of method hiding, um, in which both classes uses the static method. And if this example we can if we take static and in test 1, and non-static in the second class test 2, then compile time error, JVM shows the compile time error. Either we can use static methods or non-static methods. If we can only use that. So we will discuss the difference between the method hiding and method overriding. In method hiding, the methods of parent class and child class are static. And in method overriding, these methods of parent class and the child class have are non-static. And the method hiding is also called as a static polymorphism. And method overriding method is also called as a dynamic polymorphism. Method hiding is also called as a compile time polymorphism. And method overriding is also called as a runtime polymorphism. These are the points on which difference are created in these two methods. And there is another difference, which one is the in method hiding, compiler take cares the method resolution in method hiding. And in method overriding, the method resolution is take care by the JVM. In the method overriding, this is the all about the difference. These all are the points of the method hiding and the method overriding. And we will discuss about the in polymorphism in details. We discuss the examples of polymorphism, such as method overloading, method overriding, and method hiding. This is all about the polymorphism. Thank you.